So the connector clips for the coil packs can be a little tricky to take off. A tip for doing that is push down and then push up on the tab and then pull up. Push down, push up on that, you'll hear a click, and pull up. You're gonna want a super thin 10mm wrench to hold this nut in place while you take this top nut off for the ground right here. Once you have all your grounds removed and out of the way, you're gonna wanna remove these 10mm nuts here. To make getting these coil packs out a little bit easier, you're gonna wanna do this when the engine is warm. This one wasn't even tight. See all that rust at the bottom too, that's really not good. Want to make sure they're all seated properly. I don't recommend getting aftermarket plugs. You're going to want to spend a little bit of extra money and just get OEM plugs.